Hello, I am Nate McClellan, the founder of Nature Nates. First of all, thank you for you people who have already pledged. We're at $235,000 out of $1 million. We're looking for $1 million for 30% of the business. I want you to look at this chart. You can see the steady growth. Over the past 11 years, we've averaged about a 40% gain in sales pretty consistently. This year is different. It's much more. It's been really fun and challenging to meet the demand. We've done this growth with no money per se. We've been bootstrapping the whole way, and almost all the profits that we make go back into the company. Because of the growth we've been experiencing, we need to scale. That's why we're raising $1 million for 30% of our business. And the way you profit from this is in 2 years, we hope to be at $2 million in sales. By 2025, we hope to be doing $2 million. And that sounds a little aggressive, and it is, but we think we can do it. How are we going to do that? We've already expanded our distribution across the United States, and it's really starting to catch on in the East. We've got quite a few stores under our belt in the East. We got about 350 in the West, and we really expect to double that soon with these new distributors. We have a new distributor in Canada, and the people up north really love pop sorghum, so we're going to see a lot of growth there. We are expanding our product line on Amazon. 55% of our sales is from Amazon. And also, we are opening up the distribution channel to Mexico and South America probably within the next 6 months, and that should open up a lot of sales. Furthermore, we have been working on a lot of new products that are starting to come to fruition. Black sorghum, Snack-a-Rack primarily, has actually been going for 3 or 4 years. I'm going to talk a little bit more on the next video about that. We are also working on a 1-ounce package that will go in a case of 24, and that is super huge on Amazon. If you look at the popcorn category, over half of them are bulk, smaller bags. Next up is a chip, a sorghum chip. It's going to be the first of its kind, and trust me, it tastes good, and it's going to go really good in the market. I think the chips will be very well accepted. Everybody tries them, loves them, and they're super nutritious, and they taste good. Now, I will tell you that we're working on something very special. It's going to be first to market, and I can't even go into details because it is a secret. I don't want anybody else to get a hold of this, but it's new, it's exciting, it's trending, and it's going to blow away the consumers. So look forward to that. By the way, as a pledger, you will get samples of our chips as we start making those, and you'll be the first to try all of our new products. We're pretty sure that we can grow to $2 million in 2 years. By then, we're going to be growing out of our little 2,000 square foot building. Meanwhile, we're going to be purchasing land and getting ready for the next phase. We're going to need more building space for more equipment, more employees, more storage, etc., etc. And that's when we will do a second round of fundraising. This is also when you can capitalize on your investment. You can cash out, you can let it ride, or we're going to hope you double down, because you'll see after we meet our first goals and when we show you our plans for our next phase, you probably want to stay on board. I want to tell you about the brands that we have secured. They are trademarked. First off is the Better Than Popcorn, which we've had on our package for 10 years now. And Better Than Popcorn was a really nice phrase that we wanted to make our own. So that is now trademarked, and it's also become almost the brand name for pop sorghum. And then we have the Snack-a-Rack, which I'm going to tell you more about that in the next video. And then the new trademark and brand name we're really proud of is Smilo, and that's short for It's Milo. Milo is another name for sorghum, and that is going to take over the brand name for everything. We're going to be slowly migrating the pop sorghum over to Smilo. The reason we are moving to the brand name Smilo is because sometimes there's a little confusion between other vendors. And we get calls from customers looking for the honey company, and it would just be better if we went with Smilo. You'll see that on the newer products going forward and eventually on our regular products. If you are interested in investing in Nature Nates, please reach out to us if you need more information. If you're ready to go, if you're ready to pledge, it's non-obligatory. In other words, we won't hold you to whatever number you put down here. It's just for Start Engine. They want to see that we're serious. They want to see that we're going to move forward with this. They want to see that we have backers. We already have $235,000 pledged out of $1 million. That's a good start. That's 1 week's worth. Click on the link below to pledge. And like I said, it's non-obligatory. You can pledge more or less as we go forward with Start Engine. Thank you for checking this out and for listening, and we'll talk to you soon.